Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to print your favorite memories instantly, anywhere, and in a size that's perfect for sticking anywhere. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. It's the refurbished Polaroid Hi-Print, a Bluetooth-connected 2x3 pocket photo dye-sub printer that's about to revolutionize the way you print your photos. One of the most impressive features of the Polaroid Hi-Print is that it's factory refurbished, which means you get to enjoy the benefits of this amazing technology at a fraction of the cost. But don't let the refurbished part fool you. This printer is capable of producing high-quality 2x3 business card-size prints that you can stick anywhere. Whether you're looking to decorate your room, create custom gifts, or simply want to have a physical copy of your favorite memories, the Polaroid Hi-Print makes it easy. And the best part? You can customize and print images directly from your mobile device, giving you the freedom to create and print anywhere, anytime. Now, let's talk about the dye-sub technology that powers the Polaroid Hi-Print. This innovative technology uses dye-sub cartridge technology to produce high-quality, vibrant photos in under 50 seconds. That's right, in less than a minute, you can have a beautiful, physical copy of your favorite photo. The dye-sub technology ensures that your prints are not only vibrant, but also long-lasting, so you can enjoy them for years to come. And with the ability to print in such a short amount of time, you can easily print multiple copies of your favorite photos and share them with friends and family. Another feature that really sets the Polaroid Hi-Print apart is its wireless printing capability. Using the Polaroid Hi-Print mobile app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices, you can easily connect to the printer via Bluetooth and start printing your favorite photos. The app is user-friendly and makes it easy to select the photos you want to print, customize them with frames, filters, text, and emoticons, and then print them out. And because the printer is wireless, you can print from anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Speaking of customization, the Polaroid Hi-Print mobile app gives you a ton of options to make your photos truly unique. You can add frames, filters, text, and emoticons to your photos, giving them a personal touch that makes them extra special. And with the ability to connect to the printer via Bluetooth, you can easily print out your customized photos and share them with friends and family. Whether you're looking to create custom gifts, decorate your room, or simply want to have a physical copy of your favorite memories, the Polaroid Hi-Print makes it easy. One of the things that really impressed me about the Polaroid Hi-Print is its portability. The printer is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which means you can take it with you on the go and print out photos wherever you are. And because it's small enough to fit in your bag or purse, you can easily take it to parties, events, or on vacation and print out photos of your favorite moments. The possibilities are endless, and the Polaroid Hi-Print makes it easy to capture and share your memories in a unique and creative way. In conclusion, the refurbished Polaroid Hi-Print is an incredible piece of technology that's perfect for anyone who loves printing photos. With its factory refurbished design, dye-sub technology, wireless printing capability, customization options, and portability, this printer is a game changer. So, if you're looking for a fun and easy way to print your favorite memories, be sure to check out the Polaroid Hi-Print. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and start printing your favorite photos in a whole new way. Trust me, you won't regret it. The Polaroid Hi-Print is an amazing product that's sure to bring a smile to your face and make your memories last.